Kitty. Cinders. Meow. Hey, look how big you've gotten. Wow. And you're just a pretty kitten. Cinders. Meow. Aww. Such a good little kitty. She says, yeah, I want some attention. She says, I want some attention. Oh, oh, he's a good little kitty. He's a good little kitty. Oh. Meow. Meow. Well, here we are. This is a tractor that some of y'all have seen if you've seen some of my older videos. This is a 1976 or 7 Case 444 lawn tractor. And it's taken a long time to get put together. And because we can't find, we're having troubles trying to get the carburetor hooked back up. Having problems with this spring right here. Don't know where it goes, where it's supposed to hook up to the carburetor. So having troubles getting the carburetor figured out. That coil's probably no good, but it's okay because in that coffee can right there, I've got another one. Or no, wait, it's right there in that bubble wrap. So that's the problem I'm having. I got to replace this entire piece of fuel line here. It goes all the way back to the tank, but it's not an issue at all. So if anyone can help, I would really much appreciate it. Thank you much, and adios.